Hello boss, I'm Judy. Today I will bring you this outdoor LED display, EA250F. And the first, let me introduce this front and rear surface design, which allows you to easily maintain the LED module, power supply, receiving card, and cable. Both is IP65 high waterproof and dust rating. It can work stably whether it is sun or raining. Ensure that your event display is not affected by the weather. Now let's take a look at internal design. Equipped with two wing-shaped fans for faster heat dissipation. Ensure that it's not afraid of overheating after long time use. Finally, the brightness of this LED display is as high as 6,500 CD square meters. Even in strong outdoor light, it can be clearly seen and easily adjust the audience attention. If you have any question, you can just contact us. See you next time. Bye bye.